Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Blaju. So guys, if you are a YouTube video content creator, then this video can be useful for you. So in this video I will show you how you can request YouTube to remove any video that someone else has uploaded on their channel. For example, you can go to your channel and check this copyright section, and here you will find all the matches of the videos if some other channels have uploaded your videos. For example, here are three matching videos which these channels, these I don't know who they are, these channels has re-uploaded my videos. So in this video I will show you how you can request YouTube to take down these videos. So first of all, you need to go to this video and wait for it to load. So it is my video and this channel has re-uploaded it. So first of all, copy its URL and now go back and click here, request video removal, and here it says infringing video and this is my content. So you can add the video you have just want to be removed, the URL. I want this video to be removed, so paste this URL here. Okay, now here select here my content. If they have stolen your song, software, artwork, you can according to this you can just select any. So they have stolen my video, so I have selected stolen video, and the category, and from where they have stolen the video, from your YouTube channel, from your Facebook channel, or anywhere from outside of YouTube, and it's from my YouTube channel, so select here from my YouTube. And now they want me to give them the proof that this is my video, so from my channel I will select it and select this video. So click on share, copy the URL of your video and just paste it here, and location of infringed content, entire video. That channel has stolen my entire video, so here, and now infringing video is here, and now location of infringing content, here you can select entire video, and you can select add to list, but I have already selected this, so it has been selected twice, so just delete one, and now that's all. Now from here, copyright owner, so who is the affected party? Is it me or my company? So it is me. And relation to copyrighted content, here how that content is related to you. So I'm the creator, so I can just select creator here, write creator, and here will be my full name, or here let me show you, you can just put your channel name here, channel name, and here the country, it's Pakistan. Now I can put my phone number here and the street address, and if you want then the secondary email, or here the city and province or state, anything, and here the zip code, And here, this is the important part. Here you can send the channel the warning that he or she should remove the video, otherwise it will be removed within the 7 days. Or you can just give them a copyright strike. So I won't recommend this one, copyright strike. It is not good for the other channel. So just schedule takedown, and you can select this as well, prevent copies of your video from appearing on YouTube, on other channel. You can just select it as well. And yes, I have good faith and believe that it is my work, and you can just select them all. And here in signature you need to provide them your legal name. And I think that's all. And after that, just click on submit. And here, as you can see, it has gone, it is not here anymore, that video, and it will be here from in the removal request. So here, as you can see, I have requested 2 videos to be taken down. So my request status is in progress and under review. So they will inform me by email or some other source that your request has been accepted or declined. And that's all, guys. If you want more such videos, and if you have any question, just ask me in the comments, and subscribe my channel and like this video as well for more such videos. Goodbye.